Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you, wherever you are. I am Dr. Anant Kodavasal, Director of Ecotech Engineering Consultancy, based out of Bangalore in India. We have been in the business of wastewater treatment, both domestic as well as industrial wastewater, for the last 34 years. Treatment, recycle, reuse, that is our mantra. We are operating and maintaining nearly 90 plants in Bangalore, Chennai, and Pune. And in all these plants, we recover and reuse nearly 50 to 60% of the community's requirement if it is a residential complex. It goes as high as 85 to 90% in the case of commercial complexes such as malls, hotels, where there's a huge HVAC, cooling water requirement. So this is the benefit of a good STP. Three cardinal rules for a good STP. Good design, proper engineering, and then proper operation and maintenance. All three things are aspects which need to be at 100%. And being a trained chemical engineer, I'm fond of my saying, there is a zeroth law which sits above all these considerations, and that is selection of the most suitable, most appropriate treatment technology. The old adage goes, one size does not fit all. Similarly, one STP technology does not fit all sizes. Depends on the scale and size of the STP. And let us take the case of Bangalore city and the distributed STPs across the city in residential complexes, commercial complexes, malls, hotels, educational institutions, hospitals. These are all mini and small STPs in the range of, let us say, 100 KLD to maybe 3000 KLD. 3000 KLD is the largest STP we operate and maintain in Bangalore. So nothing goes above 5000 KLD, where the larger size STPs, where the other technologies come into place. But we are strong advocates of the time-tested, classical, conventional extended activated sludge STP for all these mini and small STPs, and we speak out of experience. We operate and maintain nearly 90 plants in Bangalore, Chennai, and Pune, and all of them work. All of them are based on the extended. And many of them have been converted from SBR to extended, from MBBR to extended, from MBR, membrane bioreactor, most high-tech, most modern technology, to extended. So we have to understand which technology is best suited for this particular application in the mini and small scale STPs, especially in the residential commercial space. Let me tell you why SBR is unsuitable in these STPs. SBR technology treats the daily discharge of sewage in 3 equal batches. But we all know, in a residential or a commercial complex, the sewage is not generated in 3 equal installments. And therefore, by default, by nature, SBR is totally unsuitable in this particular application. Let me take you through why MBBR technology is unsuitable. MBBR is unsuitable because as developed in Norway in the 1990s, MBBR technology mandates a primary sedimentation stage. In domestic sewage, primary solid is basically human feces. Human feces, when separated, is difficult to handle in a small mini STP in a residential complex or a commercial complex. And therefore, MBBR is suitable in large municipal treatment plants. It is totally inappropriate in a small STP. So these are the technologies which are prevalent in Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Hyderabad, and that is one of the reasons more than 80% of the STPs are dysfunctional. So what is the solution? If you have to change the technology, convert it to extended, do redesign, re-engineer, operate and maintain. Just to take you through the numbers, there are more than 3,200 STPs in Bangalore alone. More than 80% are dysfunctional, as I said. More than 450 MLD of sewage is under treatment in these STPs. If you can just make them work, you can recover and reuse more than 300 to 350 MLD of water for secondary uses from your own doorstep, at your own doorstep. No other source of water, neither Kaveri, no river water, no groundwater, no borewell, no tanker water, no municipal supply is going to guarantee uninterrupted supply in the coming years. STP is the only guaranteed perennial source of water. So please respect your STP, try to make it work. Even if it costs 30, 40, 50 lakh of rupees to set it right, please do so. The payback period is just a matter of months. I know we have done more than 60 of these surgeries in the past 10 years, and all of them work. And all of them, the payback period has just been a matter of months. So multiple benefits from an STP. One, ensuring your water security in the future. Number two, economic benefits. Number 3, protection of the environment. And 4, conserve and preserve freshwater resources, natural freshwater resources. Multiple benefits from a good STP. So please respect your STP, make it work for you and for the environment. Thank you and good day.